Are you trying to open a picture on your Windows 11 computer? I'll guide you through advanced, step-by-step solutions that will not only fix photos, but also make sure it runs smoothly every single time. First, let's start with the built-in fix tools. Click your Start menu, then go to Settings. On the left sidebar, select Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Once you find Microsoft Photos, click the 3 horizontal dots on the right and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click Repair. This will attempt to fix missing or broken app files without deleting your settings. Give it a few seconds to finish. Once repair is complete, go back and click Reset. A confirmation box will appear. Click Reset again. This removes corrupted app data and forces the app to rebuild its configuration. If reset didn't work, do a clean reinstall. Go back to the Advanced Options page we just visited. This time, scroll down and click Uninstall, then Confirm. Once it's uninstalled, open the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and open it. And search for Photos and install it. In most cases, a clean reinstall solves app corruption issues immediately. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share it with anyone else facing the same issue.